I am looking at Ruataniwha, which is a project that was designed for the Hawke's Bay area, and which looks now not to be going ahead. And I'm looking at the reasons why it's not going ahead, and also looking at some of the things that, some of the debate that's going on. The debate, for example, between a professor of agribusiness at Waikato, and what she says is illogicality. She would like to see it go ahead, and what the environmentalists say, and what other people say. Ngahere, for example, have backed out of it. Ngahere were going to be investing in it, and they've backed out of it because it doesn't make any kind of economic sense to them. We need to look at this. So, the show is called Te Moana me te Ngahere, and we look at the environment generally as well, and this project, the Ruataniwha project in the Hawke's Bay area. Ko tēnā tata tēnei nā kaupapa I tēnei pōno reire koutou mā tēnā rawa tū koutou. Ko te wawataki a hono hono mai koutou, ko tēnei tetahi o nā take nui mo te rohe neina. Tai hoki ki ngā mea ki here tauna, engari rā kei te whakaroa hau mō tēnei mahi me ona no ngā hānai hana ki ngā tānatai whai mahi ana I konei ki I here tauna hoki. Nā reira, ko te mā, ko piri ki tēnei mihi atu.